Dumpster rental service in Jersey City, New Jersey. Need a dependable dumpster rental service in Jersey City, New Jersey? D&A Contracting is the solution you've been looking for. Whether you're decluttering your home, undertaking a major renovation, or managing a construction site, D&A Contracting provides dumpsters in various sizes to handle all kinds of waste efficiently. From small household cleanouts to large-scale commercial projects, we have the right dumpster for your needs. Known for our exceptional customer service, D&A Contracting ensures the entire process is seamless, from ordering a dumpster to picking it up. Our flexible rental periods and fast delivery ensure your project stays on schedule without waste management delays. Our team can help you choose the appropriate dumpster size so you pay only for what you need. What sets D&A Contracting apart is our commitment to eco-friendly waste disposal practices. We prioritize recycling materials whenever possible, helping minimize landfill waste and reducing environmental impact. Our commitment to sustainability makes us a top choice in Jersey City, New Jersey. For fast, reliable dumpster rental services, contact D&A Contracting at 973-809-3846 and get a free quote today. Let us help you keep your project on track with responsible and efficient waste management.